What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So, my people, thanks for always sticking around. I really appreciate it. You understand? Now, I've got another fantastic, fantabulous, and sarcastic video here for you guys. So make sure to watch to the very end. Subscribe if you're yet to do that, and please drop nice comments as you watch. You feel me? So, don't play, my people. Don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Buenas noches, familiar. Muchas gracias. Mi árbol no
If on your paiga.
Speak English. This is Nigeria.
Okay. Oh. A warm welcome to you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the WWE Nigeria. It's the first of its kind, as it will always be in continuity.
Make me proud.
This very fight is capturing money in the bank.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my colleague just said it all. In the bag contains the sum of 30 million naira. And the winner of this match today goes home with them.
Undertaker.
Hey! Chai! What the this? Chai!
What be this? Shut Undertaker. Can't be able to this. Surely it is the unthinkable unfolding before the very eyes of everyone.
Shame don't wear me suit.
See this idiot. This is when you center Nigeria, don't they copy Undertaker?
Undertaker, ba.
Fight, so they find small woman.
Why they listening to ordinary fan talk?
I believe you. The 30 million naira in this bag will change our lives. Let's take it home.
Okay, enter this ring. Let this fight begin.
Danjuma.
Why are you fighting the ref? He's not the one. Look at your opponent here.
Oh, this one.
You see? Be serious. Are you sure you're okay? Your opponent is the one on the black. Now for the last time.
Very strong.
Take him out! Take him out! Take him out!
I want the bonya.
Oh!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Big show.
behold the fattest man in Nigeria, weighing 900 million pounds.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the money in the bank here has been increased to the sum of 100 million naira. That is what they win out today tonight. Let the fight begin.
I don't take him from under.
Win the claim, ordinary men kill him. Men say by commentators, I would think they call ordinary.
I am a boy.
One fight,
Madam, good afternoon, man.
Sabinus, come in. Welcome.
Yes.
Hope you're good.
Yeah, very fine, man. Your place fine, oh.
Thank you.
I never know say be this kind of big girl. You know, the first day I saw you, you're looking beautiful. That was why I approached you. Yeah. I don't know you had your eyes on me and you called me.
You're looking strong. I like it. Hope you're ready.
I came prepared. Madam, I don't kill him.
Trash him.
Okay.
This 30 minutes, man. I know guys that are strong. Like 2 hours. 2-3 hours you can last.
Okay.
That's why.
He called me.
Yes.
Okay. No problem.
Hope you're.
Yeah, they do 8 hours, sir.
No problem. Just hold on. I'm coming back, okay?
Okay, man. Okay, man.
God will pay you. See pressure.
Hey, boss, respect. Where you go? I'm praising God for what the Lord is about to do in my life.
Osaka.
Madam.
It's not yet your turn now.
Madam, I know, but I don't prefer come.
Sabinus is here already to satisfy me now, right?
Yes, but since he's here, I don't know.
No, I want you. I'm already ready for you. Or are you scared?
No. Active.
All right, now meet me inside.
Okay, I'm coming over.
Please don't keep me waiting.
Never.
Osaka, you can wait now.
Okay.
Hey, shut down. It's like him prepared.
Investor. Hello, Papa. How do you like this? You know that girl now I've been asked out for that day for front. That girl went for that road. You can just call me. The girl say make I come her house. Why she come prepared?
Come prepared.
Tell you.
You know, say sometimes a woman say come prepared. They mean come prepared.
See you. Me will just do 15 press up.
Maybe all this kind of performance. If it they last like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, but the girl they spend like 2 hours.
I can stay 30 minutes straight.
Best to see man tell you now here we need help from Fekomi. See the one we need. Fekomi SD Herbal Powder, aka Smackdown. This one, if you take this one, you go clear any toxic within your body, make you strong, last well like a man. If you like 3 hours, 4 hours, in fact, 48 hours, he perform. That make they call a Royal Rambo. You go be like saying I'm fighting at the fight. You must defeat that guy. You must satisfy her 100%.
Nah, good as say now you hold them. Now you need them. Go and use it. As I did like this now. Performance, no need performance.
See, you need this medicine from Fekomi. Fekomi Terminator. This medicine they take care of all kinds of chronic and acute STI and UTI. Anything will concern chronic infection or STI, sexually transmitted infection, they clear and wash and completely.
I don't understand. What you make it talk about infection? I be like who get infection.
No, this one not be for you. This one they go give Tommy because Tommy get infection.
Good. He's minister of infection. Now him will talk about it. Boss, what don't know?
Yeah, well done.
Now Fekomi SD Herbal Powder be this now.
Now Fekomi be this.
Gee, see me see problem, bros. I beg. I don't know say this woman 30 minutes no the belly full am. I beg you go help me with this Fekomi Smackdown. Make I take am, make I feel we stand down.
This woman, if you no last 2 hours, she don't kill you. But if you pass 2 hours, you don't cash her. You don't turn millionaire.
Oh, the struggle. Bros, what don't know? Nice to meet you. What part of Nigeria are you from?
Imo State.
See my brother, look at him.
The suffer is real.
Bros, one day walking, but no matter better now. Go inside now.
Follow from the guy now. You should transport.
All I'm craving is more moolah.
Baby, please be very, very careful. You know America is a crazy place right now because of the war. Not only you, I get to.
I know now.
Baby, don't tell me.
Babe, where's your passport? You're always forgetting your passport.
I travel to US. You forget your passport.
Hello, mommy, how are you now?
Don't come out.
Mom, the plane has taken off. Oh, yes, he has gone.
Breaking news, Flight 121 flying from Lagos to America just got bombed.
Jesus!
God help me.
The number you dialed is not reachable at the moment.
I swear you ride it so good.
Oh wait, Zaddy, won't you miss your flight?
I'll miss it for you, baby.
Back for me, Zaddy.
Breaking news on the earlier bombed Flight 121. Flying from Lagos to America. We've been able to confirm that there are no survivors on board these flights.
Is only your supposed flight?
Family of the deceased. Nigeria sympathizes with you. This is really sad.
They survive, but I get house. That's I chick house. Side chick, don't say me like.
Jesus.
Hey, come. Baby, sweet.
Jesus.
Sweet, yes. Okay. Get this one, let's celebrate. Now go for a whiskey be this, but you know what show, sir. Take care. Go and buy more. They're my favorites. Okay, sir.
How was your life?
First of all, you thank God, and after you thank God, you thank Precious.
Jesus.
Precious. You never see anybody. Thank you, my precious God. Oh, thank you.
My friend, good afternoon. Please, I came to look for somebody. My phone is off. Please, can I use your power bank and your code?
Okay.
She's an iPhone code.
Yes, but it's type C.
Yes, I did fear. Jesus, almost see pressure.
Okay, I pick up for iPhone 16, right? 90 now.
OJ, pick to Alaska, check up.
So you mumu like this and not know.
I'm not going to play with you.
My God, how I want to do this?
I go, you have put everything.
Take now, I fear you.
Who be this guy? They hold me for Robo Koro that year.
That year,
Play, I want to cover all my money once.
OJ, for Alaska, check up. I'm not going to play with you.
Now so they play the what? Now so they win.
Guy, I stake my phone.
Stake now. Nothing be the thing, I didn't see.
You mumu.
I must recover all my money.
They play the show now, they do.
This guy is just.
No feel recover.
I don't vex now.
I saw gambling with you.
Pick two, Alaska, check up.
Oh, Jesus.
See what you get to try come up again.
Guy, my money don't finish. I feel stake my baby.
No shoes now, they with you now.
Just one round though.
No issue, they with you.
Yeah, which kind of rubbish be this one now? Now 1K my baby what?
Now 1K I get to give you. Now 1K day. If no agree, man, take my money back.
No.
You guys are not carry money come off fire. Okay, I don't finish you. Last card. Check up.
God help me now that day.
That's so the thing says.
Hope you don't go. Let's go upstairs.
Upstairs for what?
Alpha guy, can't tell your babe now.
Mugbe one handicap.
Babe.
Yes, what?
Alpha, me and your guy play what? Things you better say if I chop a marker, you go upstairs, go give you doggy, get up when you go. Alpha, talk to your babe.
Babe!
You gotta trust man. Adam. Don't do more than one round though.
We didn't get to part to. So you mumu like this and not know. This boy, you foolish like this and not know.
Shut up, this guy.
How you gonna use your place? Play.
Guy, who's my girlfriend?
Oh, don't carry Bele.
Technology. I don't say Nigerian and country will say they function. Why
that's
is
what
man like you?
Give
They behave like gorilla.
Once upon a stupid time, you lived rent-free inside my stupid mind.
Oh, they struggle.
My guy don't forget himself.
This girl fine. Which girl? No get, I know they see him.
I don't know. Yeah. This one, that girl, when I don't chop her scatter.
As it is, so Mario don't chop her.
That girl na local dog, my guy. Come on for that girl.
For day before yesterday, na Santos house she sleep. I see two of them when they come outside.
I see that girl for streets. She dey drag for 2K because the guy chop her, me no gree pay. He dey drag 2K. Just leave that girl, my guy. Get am. Don't worry, you go see sharp babe. Trust me, no worry.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, they struggle.
Now, if anyone has a reason why these two beautiful people should not be joined in holy matrimony, speak now or forever remain silent.
I don't know
what be this?
Come forward. So what do you have to say?
Bro, you cannot marry this girl. This girl have done 4 abortions for me. I cannot allow you marry this girl. Never. She does not even have a womb.
Speak. This girl. Now shower house and for meter. I will never allow my friend to marry this kind of girl.
You can never marry her. Silence, everyone. I thought we were friends. Why are you discriminating her? Kelvin, your mom gave birth to you out of wedlock. And now she's married to somebody I don't even know. She's happily married.
I saw a bastard. And you are here discriminating her.
What about you, Michael? Your sister has given birth to 3 children from 3 different men. Oh my God. And you're here criticizing her. The fact that you both had sex with her doesn't mean she's devil. That is her past. And they accept her for who she is.
You will cry, no worry.
So you shouldn't just judge her with her past. Do you all have any other thing to say?
You will cry.
So at least I get better.
Okay, in the absence of no one else, I bless this union in holy matrimony. You may kiss the bride.
Welcome to
Please, brother, let us put an end to this. If I hear before abortion, that is not my question before abortion. This guy is so good. Stop on the side now.
Okay, good afternoon.
Hold on. What's your name?
Bisola.
Bisola.
I never see this face for this compound.
I've been new tenant. I just parking.
Now you be the new tenant. Oh, okay, now you collect that room where they near toilet.
Must it account?
Now when I don't see you, I beg, borrow me your matches.
Bruh.
I want use and light stove.
No be you. For this area. Before I move come, I don't hear your matter. I sabi you. Celebrity for this area.
You go borrow, you know go borrow.
One man. Hallelujah. What a wonderful message today. If you're here, you're worshiping with us for the first time today on a Sunday, can you rise up on your feet while we greet you? This is your first time of being here. Can you rise up on your feet? Can we appreciate him? There's a young man there. Can we appreciate him? Welcome. Who invited you to church, please? Can you rise up as well? Who invited him to church? Oh, wow. Chooks brought you to church and you came. Amazing. Okay, we'll see how that goes. It really says a lot. You can have your seat. We'll see how that goes. This is an important part of the service right now. You are here, you want to sow a seed of 1 million naira. Can you rise up on your feet immediately? You want to sow that seed of 1 million naira. Can you stand up immediately? Very good. Are there other people that are saying today, I want to sow that seed?
1 million naira.
Okay. We all know how we do it in our church. The moment you stand up to sow a seed, you must sow that seed before you go home. You don't just come here and stand up to sow seed and you don't sow. We don't move like that. Here, once you stand up to sow, you must sow before you leave. Good, very good. Everybody should sow. Young man, hello. Can you sow your seed quickly, please, immediately? No. He should not sit down. Chooks brought you here. He should have told you. He should have told you because even he is owing some of his seed. No, hold him. No. Chooks, you can't leave. No, come back. If he doesn't pay his seed, you will have to pay for him because you brought him. You should have warned him. Because now both of you have to stay back.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Kill the wish. I have a spell that can make a woman take accountability. Nah lie.
Oh!
Women and accountability are like this. Before. The listeners they too funny.
Dudu, my boyfriend don't come back.
You're waiting for so.
Come hide.
You don't marry.
No.
You got money for your head.
No.
Hey, if you come with fight now. Good to know they had.
Hey, now military man though. Yes.
Now what? Now
come hide for this side. Come fast.
He said good to know they had.
Oh boy. What did you do here? Go watch Champions League.
For July. Pass this so come out. I said pass this so come out.
Jesus.
Now cut now you join. Oh Donny.
You look at Yash.
And so Yash is bigger than your own. Do your worst.
So you're telling me Yash is bigger than my own, Abi?
It's about to go.
Babe, are you not eating?
No, that's your food.
Only me?
Yes.
Only me can eat this meal. Call it together. I can't eat alone. Sweet spoon there. Let's spoon there.
You don't trust the babe.
Just have food. You eat with me now. My baby now. Eat.
Eat.
You cook food now. Eat now, babe. Taste the food.
Eat now.
Eat.
Who's there for this people?
Want to wine yourself?
We are in business. We are in business now.
You don't trust them.
Are you whining yourself?
So you're a wish, oh? You know you're a wish.
So you think I won't poison you?
I don't know. I think they won't buy me because what I said outside.
You not deserve mine. No, you not deserve mine. So you look at me this study another woman can
They strong.
So you look at me. You're comparing to other women. You're comparing to other women. Come here. You're playing with the food. My God, you don't.
You don't dey sure say they no poison the food, so no need again. You understand? As you don't dey sure say the food no dey poison, if you like they talk reach next year, nothing concern me again. Anyways, my people, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Please drop it right in the comment section, and please make sure to check out my other videos. There are plenty. My videos plenty. Check them out. Subscribe, share, drop nice comments. They're very important. You understand? So see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.